back or welcome. We're back from the LZ World Tour. Inventory is updated. We have some t-shirts left and some stickers. Check out the site and buy some now.
She came in yesterday looking all Sailor Moon and shit.
Before Jordy and I get started on what we have to do today, I gotta help my boss bleed his brakes.
Exactly. I got to put her to work.
After hours.
Overtime. Show my car to the people.
I'm showing it. If you guys don't know, the 886 that's been sitting in the corner back there is Anthony's. Got anything you want to share?
Yeah, I've been putting a lot of time into this thing.
A lot.
Probably 2 or 3 years already.
Yeah, that long.
Just look at it. Look how much time I spent on it. So much.
Beautiful. I watched him struggle with those brake lines for like 3 days.
Still
Jordy's gonna pull his car in, so we're ready to do that when the time comes. All right. Wow, I've never been in one of these before.
You're in a fancy car now. You're in an iconic car. The car that starts drift.
Ready. Hold.
Leg day.
Hold. We got these at Frankie's. I think they're supposed to be hot dogs, but... Funk Master clutch time. Now the real reason we're here. Oh. While Jordy grabs the extension, we are gonna put the tires on these wheels onto his new ones. Oh, he's back.
Kylie's gonna put these tires on those wheels.
Yeah. Well, that only took 10 years.
You know what, Kylie?
Okay, now it's my turn. I'll take the stem off.
Kylie.
Come on, Anthony, you got it.
Come on, you got it. You got it. Yeah. Nice, my little dismounter.
Okay, got that tire off. Jordy went and grabbed the other tires that he wants to put on these wheels while we put those tires on those wheels. Little switcheroony going on. Let's lube this bitch up.
Okay.
That's payback.
You put my tire on.
Slam that bitch.
Good job, dude. I didn't expect you to be that fast and good at doing tires.
So what's your plan?
These are going to be dedicated rears. They're 5x120 still, but then those will be just steers up front because I have 5x114 adapters.
You got this one, right?
This one's not going to do it. This is a good tire. We'll do it on the other one.
I missed it, but after I stopped recording, Jordy managed to actually fall on the tire, so it squeezed on.
I didn't fall on the tire. I pushed it on the wheel. Keep going.
1 million zillion jillion dillion cotillion times later.
Boom! Tire is on after a bunch of technical difficulties. Anthony went to go get us McDonald's.
Two big dooms.
Those the adapters?
Adapter time. They're pretty clapped, but they work.
They do the job, they do the job.
Damn right.
Throw old Dusty away.
Dusty's going in the rear.
Fits. Uh-oh, the hood's open.
The struts are temperamental. The offset's pretty aggressive, and with the spacer, we test fit a 17x9 22. 17x9 15 is what these are, and the 22 is a little bit much. So I know we're gonna have to adjust camber.
Fun! See how they look though. They look hot.
They are super hot wheels.
I can't wait to see them paired up with the Koenigs. Koenigs?
They look a little pokey, but nothing too crazy.
Anthony's back with the goods.
Something else?
No, I think that's it.
Why are you changing the rear?
I just put the wheels I had in the front.
I'm sorry guys, I'm chomping away right now. I miss when Jordy lowered the car, but that's how it's sitting.
I need like this spec for the rear.
Mm-hmm.
Or two, either in a sec. Gotta chomp on my cookies. Last but not least.
Hopefully this one goes smoother.
Yeah. We'll see about that.
Kai do this for me.
Didn't want to record the process because Jordy was getting a little frustrated. So we're waiting for the big guns to come through, aka Brian.
Tires can die. I will gladly pay somebody $20 a tire.
Later that night.
Wow, look what's on. Brian came to the rescue?
Brian didn't put that tire on. I was putting the car in marketplace. That's how fed up I am with this car.
We'll be back tomorrow for more. Another day, another... Ew, I hate looking in this toolbox. We are going to take off my taillight. Yay! Because it's still leaking. Got our 10 mil. Don't lose it. So the reason why my taillight is still leaking, and it's not because of the seals, thankfully. The seals work magically. It's because I accidentally broke the stud when putting them back in. Gotta love that for me. So they're actually 8s, not 10s. Jordy went to go back inside to grab one. I'm cleaning up the water. At least this side's still holding up good. Hell yeah. Trunk looks immaculate.
No
So
doubt.
glad I went on fire for this. Taillight is out. As you guys can see, that's where the broken stud is.
2 missing studs
Yeah.
that actually seal the light where the water runs are missing. That's why it's leaking.
So I'm gonna tape this up real quick for the time being. Okay, time to go back inside. Our operating table is a little messy today, but
And I'm not cleaning it. All right, get to work.
so I got this bad boy off, but as you guys can see, there's a little crack, 2 to be exact. So
We're gonna drill out so it's a little bigger so we can throw one of these in there, but I don't have thread rods, so we're just gonna cut the head off the bolt, JB weld it in, and then boom, we have a stud.
hell yeah. We found different ones. So I don't trust my dynamics, but I trust Jordy's. He's gonna get this as close to the head as possible. Let's go, brother. Got our new studs.
You gonna speak or?
I don't know what I'm doing, honestly, so no, not yet. Got our handy dandy JB Weld epoxy. Yeah, squeeze that.
Okay, it's good. As much in the hole as you can get.
I feel like you. Can't find the hole. Just kidding. This one's a little harder. Now we wait.
24 hours.
While we wait for that to dry, we're back in the car to go help a friend out.
All right, world, we are here to pick up my new car. Just kidding, it's not mine. It's not Jimmy's either. Jimmy's is inside.
This car looks familiar.
Some stupid guy, I know.
Looks good. Now that you went potty, why are we actually here?
Ed is buying E36. He has the other E36. But I guess he's buying a parts car, so we gotta pick the parts car up.
So whose car is this for? What are you playing with?
Stuff.
I like that pump right here.
It just definitely came up on this. This thing is mint. 2.8 for $800. Come on. Come on, look how clean this thing is. One piece headlight though. Junk. Good job, Ed. Boom.
And we're back with the taillight. Studs are dry. I went ahead and found new nuts. All 8s around. Got my helper here. Grab my nuts. Time to finally put this taillight back in. Yeah.
What's going on here?
I don't know.
Why are your taillights always out? You know they sell a sealant for those? Are you serious right now, bro?
You know I had no studs at the top. I had to JB weld some.
You gotta do what you gotta do, I guess.
I feel like that sometimes. So what I'm doing is tightening them with my hand first, because I always f up and tighten them with the ratchet beforehand, and that's why my stud snapped. I'm not trying to have repeats.
Why do you have that?
Why don't you?
I don't run out of gas.
You know what? Fair point.
Boom. Roasted.
Do you run out of gas, Kai? Not always, but you never know. Yay! Let's go.
The angle your back is bent at right now is crazy. What are you saying, Kai?
I can see my finger out of the seal. That's what I'm seeing. I have to tighten a little more, but I need extension. Greasy as We're here with the extension. She's snug. Do you have water?
Beggars can't be choosers, Kai.
I'm not gonna wait until the next rainfall to see if this actually works, so. Oh my god, rain. Ah. I'm just kind of making these as tight as I can go without cracking.
No big booms.
No big deal. Why?
Ooh, finger on that thing.
It'd be good now. I want to put like something here, but I don't know what to put. Whatever. I fixed it as best as I could. Fuck the drift car. I'm not worried about it anymore. My overalls are falling down. Ah. Now the highlight of this video, Jordy might get a new car.
Guaranteed 4 out of 10, if that.
Yeah?
My optimism scale is at a -17 for this.
Oh yeah, I already see.
It's okay.
How we feeling, baby?
I think I like it.
Okay, but it's not too bad.
Alright, that concludes the end of our video. Please like, comment, subscribe, and hopefully we can find Jordy's Sequoia he actually enjoys. Make sure to buy some shirts, some stickers. Next event, still not sure. Actually, that's a lie. I have a private day next week. I waited till the end of the video to tell you that because it is the most exciting news. But yeah, I'm finally getting on track. Next week, next video, tune in.